Hello，同學大家好啊！我係 Miss Emily。你哋平時喺寫作同埋日常對話嗰陣時，想表達開心係咪仲用緊 happy 呢個字呢？其實咧呢個真係英文嘅10大禁字嚟㗎，因為呢個字實在太簡單啦。如果你係小三或者以上仲用緊 happy 嚟表達你開心的話呢，啲人咧就會覺得你好低 B 詞窮，英文好差㗎啦。其實咧仲有好多其他嘅方式嚟表達開心㗎，仲好生動添。今日即刻同大家解釋一下。第一個咧就係 over the moon， 直譯就係月亮上面嘅意思，唔係話你係太空人喎，其實就係講咧一個人開心到咧，好似成個人飛咗上月球咁樣啊，興奮到極點。例如 She was over the moon when she got an A in the exam， 佢考到 A 嗰時真係開心到飛起啊！而第二個咧就係 on cloud nine 啦，唔好以為真係話你喺第9層嘅雲上面喎，其實咧就係形容啲人咧開心到咧好似飄上去九霄雲外咁，心情好到爆炸。當你想形容一啲人咧中咗彩票或者六合彩之後咧開心到爆炸咧，就可以講 After winning the lottery, he was on cloud nine。之後嗰句就好得意啦，就叫 have a whale of a time。有一個鯨魚的時間，乜鯨魚好開心咩？同鯨魚有咩關係啊？其實咧呢句咧通常係用嚟指咧大家一齊玩得好開心啦，度過一段愉快嘅時光㗎。例如你想講咧，尋晚開 party 嗰時咧，我哋玩得超級盡興啊，成晚都嘻嘻哈哈咧，你就可以講 We had a whale of a time at the party last night。之後嗰句咧就超級得意，就叫 tickle pink。tickle 即係擠人嘅意思啊！唔好以為咧人哋擠到你變咗粉紅色，好似我今日咁喎。其實咧佢真正想形容嘅咧就係啲人好開心咧，開心到個面都紅晒啊！例如好似啲小朋友咧，聖誕節開禮物，見到禮物嗰陣時咧，哇開心到個面都變得紅卜卜啊！你就可以講 The children were tickle pink when they saw the presents。而最後一句咧就係 Be in seventh heaven， 第7重天嘅。唔係話你瓜咗去咗第7層天堂啊，其實咧就係形容一啲人咧處於一個極度幸福、超級開心嘅狀態啊。例如咧，你就可以講 He was in seventh heaven when he reunited with his old friends， 即係話咧佢同啲朋友咧團聚嗰一刻咧真係開心到樂不思蜀啊！今日我哋就學咗咁多個咧去形容開心嘅英文方式啊，以後寫作文啊或者講嘢嗰陣時啊，就千祈唔好再用 happy 咁簡單沉悶啦。